Hello everybody, my name is Monica and today I want to tell you some interesting facts about the Lemon Tree song by the group The False Garden. So this song is basically an interesting song which tells us a story about a sadness boy who is waiting for someone he loves but the person never arrives. So this song makes me feel at the beginning like relaxed because the compass and the rhythm of the song was really slow and easy to understand the lyrics. But then when I realized the real meaning of the song, it made me feel sad and at the same time like feeling isolation because during the first part the singer just mentioned um, questions such as why, how, what happened this, like he's wondering. But then in the other part, he's just mentioned insulation is not good for me. Like the man who is the singer, is passing through a thought on a rock situation, like bad moment. I think that the meaning of the song is heavy because in as far as I'm concerned, I think that he lost his girlfriend. I don't know, maybe she died or maybe she just broke up with him and he's wondering why if yesterday we talked, why you are not here, I'm waiting for you. Yesterday you talked me about the blue sky, but today I just can see lemon trees. And when we talk about lemon is something acid, something that nobody like it. There is an interesting phrase that says if life gives you lemons, make lemonade. So maybe it's related with this, I don't know. Also, the song instruments are such as guitar, drums, bass, and there is a piano too. That's it. I'm going to sing a short part of the song. Is this one? Let's start. I'm sitting here in the boring room. It's just another rainy Sunday afternoon. I'm wasting my time, I got nothing to do. I'm hanging around, I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. And I wonder, he's asking like, I'm driving around in my car. I'm driving too fast, I'm driving too far. I'd like to change my point of view. I feel so lonely and I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. And I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue sky. I know that I can see it's just a yellow lemon tree. I'm turning my head up and down. I'm turning around. And all that I can see is just another lemon tree. Sing da 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 da. Okay, this was the part of the song that I wanted to share with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.